This is one of my favorite combos that I've put together in the past month, and now I'm showing it to you. Drex here from DrexFactor.com, coming at you with a brand new combo for the month of July, and this one is for the intermediates out there. This combo is a great mix of challenging tricks, dance, and of course it just looks cool. To get this month's combo down, you're going to need the following tricks under your belt: archer weave fountains, windmills, wall plane flowers, stalls, and corkscrews. Now, you can find a list of tutorials that I've done on these very tricks down in the description of this video, or up in the cards if you happen to be watching it on YouTube. I'm going to show you the full combo, and then break it down piece by piece before showing you the combo again. Make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell so you know exactly when I'm dropping my next video. Before we dive in, I just want to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Emazing Lights, Flow Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can visit them all by following the links down in the description of this video. So the first thing we're going to need to do in order to get this combo down is play around with that archer weave somewhat. It starts off by having our two poi spinning in split time same direction out in wall plane, and we're going to let the left hand do one beat over each shoulder before launching into that archer weave fountain going down and across the bottom side of our body. So you're going to want to think that the left hand is going to go over the left shoulder, right shoulder, and as it goes underneath the right arm, we're going to archer weave down and around. Now once we get to the left hand side of the body, the right hand gets to do what the left hand did before, doing a beat over the left shoulder, right shoulder, and then out to the side, right? Cool, so from here we're going to do two windmills back to back. We're going to let the left arm go up behind our head first, and then again the second time. And what happens the third time is we're going to switch over into a different poi move that I like to call a giant. Giants are basically split time same direction reels that happen around the shoulders. So to practice them, we're going to start off by planting our feet and then turning our upper body over to the right. Now you're going to have your arms move around as though they're doing the crawl stroke. This of course is split time same direction in poi speak. And as that left arm is going down in front of your knees, you're going to let your entire body follow it around until your arms are spread out to either side, and then continue to turn over to your left hand side and switch over into doing the backstroke, yeah? Now, once you're over to the left hand side, I want you to wait for that moment when your right hand is up top, and then open back up with your arms spread out to the sides, and then switch back over to the right hand side into the forwards crawl stroke, right? So think of it as being from the forward side, you're going to follow the left hand down, and then from the reverse side, you're going to follow the right hand up and over. Left hand down, right hand up, left hand down, right hand up, and you're turning your body all the way around each time. So the good news is that doing this with the poi is literally just as simple as doing all of that arm motion, but with the poi coming out of your hands. So again, you're going to go around forwards, follow the left down, reverse, follow the right up. Forwards, follow the left down, reverse, follow the right up. It's as simple as that. Cool, so from the windmill, you're going to let the left hand come in front once, come in front twice, and then the third time as it comes around, left hand goes down and around to lead you to the reverse side of that giant, and you're going to continue on around forwards, yeah? Now you're going to do two giants, and then you're going to do something kind of cool. So from the side of the giant where you have your poi turning forwards, you're going to take that moment when the left hand poi is down close to your feet, and you're actually going to use that to propel you out and around in a little bit of a jump, yeah? Essentially what happens is you're going to let that left hand pick you up, the right foot is going to follow it, and the left hand is going to complete the movement all the way over to your left hand side. Okay, so you did the jump, and as you're coming around, you're going to do a quick windmill and then switch into those wall plane flowers. That is, you're going to give me an anti-spin as your hands wrap around each other in front of you in wall plane. You're going to do this once, you're going to do this twice, and then on the third time, you're going to stall out to the sides, and we're going to switch things up just a little bit. Now, when we stall our poi out to the sides, what you're going to do is reach your left foot behind your right foot and let your right hand poi come above your head, then your left hand poi come above your head, and you're going to twist your body up all the way around, yeah? Essentially, you're going to do a turn with a corkscrew on top. As I step out, I'm going to step behind with my left foot once again, And yes, for a second time, the right hand's gonna come up and the left hand's gonna come up, and I'm gonna come back around to face the front again with my 2 poi resting in front of me. Okay, so we start off with our poi going split time, same direction in wall plane, and we let the left hand go left shoulder, arch weave down and around, right hand goes left shoulder, out, windmill once, windmill twice, switch into the giant once, do the giant twice, do the giant 3 times and we jump, windmill, and we do our wall plane flower anti-spin once, we do it twice, and on the 3rd time through, we stall, left foot goes behind, right hand comes up, left foot goes behind, right hand comes up, and we bring it around to a rest. Cool, let's take a look at that again. Sweet, so this combo was so much fun to do with my poi class here in DC. I hope that you guys enjoy it too. Want to add some tricks to it or subtract some tricks? Great! Post what you come up with to Instagram with the hashtag DrexFactorPoi. I would love to see your version of this combo. Before I set you guys loose, I just want to put out a massive thank you to all of my awesome supporters on Patreon. You guys are the reason that I'm able to do what I do, so thank you so much. If you enjoy this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe by clicking up here. Over here are some other videos that you may enjoy, including a playlist of videos that are just like the one that you just watched. Finally, if you enjoy my work and would like to support me on Patreon, you can either click down here or go to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. Thanks and peace.